Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azizatun Nuvus. I'm here. I will present material entitled is definition and division of phonetic and phonology. Definition of phonetics. Phonetics is a branch of linguistics that studies the sound of language in the term of production, transmission, and perception. It is the science of how sound is produced or articulation phonetics. How sound is transmitted through the air or other media or acoustic phonetics, and how sound is captured and processed by human hearing or auditory phonetics. Next is definition of phonology. Phonology is a branch of linguistics that studies the sound system in a particular language. Phonology focuses on patterns and rules that govern how different sounds are used to form words and other language structures. In phonology, sounds are treated as abstract entities called phonemes, which are the smallest units of sound that can distinguish meaning. And next is phonetic division. There are three, and the first is articulatory phonetics. It studies how sounds are produced by human speakers, including lips, tongues, voice types, and more. These phonetics cover aspects such as consonant and vocal, as well as how speakers work together to produce sound. And the second is acoustic phonetics, is the study of sound characteristics of language from the point of view of physics. These phonetics analyze sound wave, frequency, amplitude, and duration to understand the acoustic properties of sound of language. The third is auditory phonetics, is studying how the human ear captures and processes the sound of language. It covers how sound is transformed by the structure of the ear and processed in the brain. Next is phonology division. In phonology division, there are three, and the first is phonemics. Phonemics is studying phoneme and their role of distinguishing meaning in a language. For example, the difference between cat and pet. These two words differ only one letter, namely the letter C and B. However, these difference result in two words with very different meanings. The sound K on cat and the sound B on pet are different phonemes. The second is phonotetics. Phonotetics is studying rules that regulate or order that sequence of phonemes in the word in language. For example, some languages have strict rules about consonant and can be adjusted or position where a particular phoneme can appear in a word. The third is prosody. Prosody is studying the element associated with rhythm, pressure, intonation, and tone language. Their factors are often used to distinguish between type of sentence or express emotion. Okay, that's all material about phonetic and phonology. Thank you for your attention. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.